Welcome to Ebonyi People TV. Today we embark on a journey to explore the rich history, vibrant culture, and resilient spirit of the Igbo people, one of Africa's most dynamic ethnic groups. Who are the Igbos? What unites them together? And how have they shaped history both within and beyond Nigeria? To the main question, who were the Igbos before 1960? The Igbo people, also known as Ndi Igbo, are the heart and soul of southeastern Nigeria. Their homeland, Igbo, spans the uplands and lowlands, a land rich in traditions and bursting with life. But the Igbo story is more than just geography. It's a tale of community, resilience, and evolution. Before colonial times, Ndi Igbo lived in self-sufficient, semi-autonomous communities. They shared similar customs that were never centralized under one political or cultural identity. Instead, they thrived through trade, intermarriage, rituals, and cultural exchanges. From the bustling markets of Onitsha to the serene villages of Africa, the Igbo people forged connections that transcended boundaries. Leadership in Igboland wasn't about crowns or thrones. The people governed themselves through assemblies, emphasizing consensus and fairness. Every voice mattered in these councils, a democratic practice that has inspired admiration for centuries. In some communities, like Nri, revered priest kings played a spiritual role both across Igboland. Respect was earned, not inherited, a principle that reflects the Igbo belief in merit and hard work. The Igbo weren't just community builders, they were innovators. They had a unique mathematical system called Okwa and Upisi, calendar that featured 4-day weeks, and an indigenous savings and loan scheme called Isusu. Long before modern banking, Ndi Igbo understood the power of financial cooperation. Culture is the heartbeat of the Igbo identity. Festivals, music, and dance celebrated their connection to the divine and their ancestors. They worshipped a creator god, Chukwu, and revered the earth goddess, Allah, as a protector of morality and fertility. Ancestors, too, held a sacred place in their lives, guiding and protecting their descendants. Ndi Igbo are not just a monolith. They're divided into 5 subcultures based on geography. The northern Igbo of Nsukka, Onitsha, and Oka, the southern Igbo of Owerri and Aba, the western Igbo, proudly known as Ndi and Yoma, the eastern Igbo of Afikpo and Aro, the northeastern Igbo of Abakaliki and Ohafia. Each subgroup carries its unique dialects, traditions, and names, yet they all share a common heritage. Today, Ndi Igbo have spread far beyond southeastern Nigeria, leaving their mark across the globe. They are entrepreneurs, scholars, and innovators, shaping industries and fostering progress. From the old provinces of Onitsha and Owerri to the diaspora, the Igbo spirit remains unbroken. However, history also bears scars. The Igbo were active participants in the transatlantic trade, selling captives to European traders. This period of exploitation reminds us of the complexities of their history, a mix of triumphs and challenges that have shaped their collective identity. The Igbo story is one of resilience, ingenuity, and pride. Despite centuries of change, Igbo remains a land of hope and promise, where the past dwells the future. At Ebonyi People TV, we celebrate the legacy of Ndi Igbo, a people whose journey continues to inspire generations. Join us next time as we uncover more stories from this vibrant land. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep the stories alive.